Worry less on selling your homes with the right real estate agent. You may be sympathetic to the fact that your agent is working as hard as humanly possible, but you have the right to feel cheated if the quality and profitability of your home sale suffers as a result of them trying to do everything themselves. Rudy L. Kusuma Home Selling Team offers you a proven and fast home sale. We have a team of professionals that make it possible for us to be in 10 places at once, and it has enhanced the quality of service that we deliver. Other professionals, like your banker or lawyer, basically operate that way. And on top of this, we've used cutting-edge technology to dramatically improve the speed, efficiency, and innovative capabilities of every part of our services. With us in the picture, your homes sell for more money in less time. You don't have to care about the fine details of the inner workings of our office. What you should care about is simply the highly unique way we've structured our real estate sales team. You have nothing to be bothered about. Our team consists of a marketing department that puts together the most extensive and aggressive marketing plan for your homes 24/7. A team that finds buyers for your homes, and more others. You have a whole team of professionals working for you. Go to www.teamnewvision.net or call us at 626-789-0159 to get your home sale guaranteed today.